Joe and Jim here. I got a quick tutorial about how to use the AI profiler, especially if you're going to use our new furnace workflow. There's a lot of information to be entering here, including indoor and outdoor units. All that is done almost instantaneously through the AI profile. The AI profiler is actually part of our subscription. A lot of other stuff, workflows are included in that, but this is one thing that will clearly improve not just your time, but also your accuracy. If you do it correctly, every time you're here, even just for my furnace workflow, I could even also be doing my outdoor unit. So when I come back to the outdoor unit, that stuff's already entered. So let's just start with going to either the grid view or the gauge screen. Either one of these will take me to that process. You may find out that you started your app and it's in our AC heat pump cooling mode. So you can either tap in the upper left corner here, and that will take you to my options of doing gas furnace, or on my grid view, which is incredibly updated, very powerful options now in grid view. I can do the same here to change mode, and I can also confirm that I'm in the gas furnace. We're focused on the AI profiler. So if I click on AI profiler, a minute ago, I kind of did a preview of what I normally do of looking at the furnace, the blower motor, the filter, the flue, a variety of stuff, and I can confirm that when I actually go through my visual assessment in the workflow. But as it is right now, I confirmed that all that was okay, and I took pictures of the actual data plate. So I have the outdoor data plate and the indoor data plate on my iPad. So I can actually go to my library and select the photos, right? And there's my outdoor unit and my indoor unit. So I have two photos selected, and I hit add. You can do what I usually do, and I hit AI profile. It says, wait a minute, missing information. You must select the type. So if it's only cooling, then I'm not going to add the furnace information that was on that data plate. So this is a cooling and gas heat. So now it's looking for an outdoor cooling system and a furnace workflow. So whatever you pick, that actually guides the AI profiler as to what field should be entered. Now I just hit go, and now it's doing its thing. Just to clarify, that this isn't some random ChatGPT stuff. This is actually measureQuick confirming, send your stuff back to us. We're looking for very specific information that's part of our AI profiler, and confirming it and sending it back to you and putting that directly in your profile. So success, there we go. I don't even know if that took 20 seconds. Done. So now if I scroll down, I can see that my outdoor unit it's a Daikin, it's got all the make, model, serial number information. I scroll down, and it is a 1.5 tonnage. It's one of the things I always make sure. Sometimes tonnage is off. It's reading numbers inside of other numbers. And my rated static got accidentally put to 0.2. You want to, trust but verify. So I want to make sure that I have the right information. This is still a 0.5. Bosch and others could be 0.8. Some are now 1.0. So you want to make sure that you have all the correct information. All of measureQuick will be based upon your profile. So if you're like, oh, my static is high, it's based upon what's in the profile. So scrolling down, I have my air handler, it's a furnace, and the evaporator is optional. You can enter that information. You can also use the QR code to scan from the information. So I can see how it's 2021, 90 plus furnace, gas heat, all my information I found from that. The pressure switch is something you have to find. Sometimes it's backwards. It's not a requirement, but it is something. If you got it, throw it in there, because you're going to keep this in the end, because you're actually using your subscription to save all this and come back later and already have it completed. This gas furnace, are ready for this, has been converted to propane. Not uncommon to find that. When it shipped out from the manufacturer, it was already designed for natural gas. The installers decided we have propane, let's change out all the orifices and all the other pressures. So all that has been done already. So watch this. On my profile, which was automatically done in AI, I can just go to my natural gas selection and hit propane. All of my numbers have now changed. My minimum and maximum have now changed, and I now have the ability to do that. So all that is done. A lot of information was just put in there automatically and adjusted with the AI profiler. A win-win for those of you that are using your subscription. I encourage you to use it and confirm the information that you've got. So hopefully this helps you a lot, how simple you can convert from natural gas to propane, and always trust but verify. Have a great day.